Extraction instructions. Tips: low pressure calls for a finer ground, a heavier dose, or a heavier tamp. High pressure calls for a coarser ground, a lighter dose, or a lighter tamp. It's recommended to add more than 0.5 to 0.6 oz powder for higher extraction pressure. Firmly and evenly tamp down the powder with pressure around 20 to 30 pounds. After placing the funnel in position, press the single or double cup button to start brewing. The optimal extraction pressure is between 9 and 12 bar. A dual-wall filter is recommended for cold brewing, while a single-wall filter is used for hot brewing. Load the dual-wall filter in the funnel. For cold brew, firstly press the cold brew button, then the single or double cup button. For a better cold brew taste, please use potable cold water. One, use fresh coffee beans. Fresh beans ground evenly for optimal pressure resistance. 2, adjust the lower grinding settings to make the coffee grounds finer. Follow these steps to increase the pressure. This improved method delivers better results. Enjoy your perfectly brewed coffee.